How to get 1 million views. I'm sure by the title you know what we're gonna talk about today. Matter of fact, we're not gonna do much talking. We're gonna get straight into the action. Can you get 1 million views? What exactly is 1 million views? Is it 200,000 people watching your video 5 times? Is it 500,000 people watching your video twice? Or can you actually get 1 million unique views? Check that moon out right there. And people wondering and question, can I even get 1 million views? Baby, let's go. As you can see, we are riding and it is almost sunset, but we're not stopping now. We're gonna keep it going. Are you subscribed? Hit the bell, subscribe, don't miss nothing. Like, share this video right now. If real quick, I can just say, wow. Roll call.